Awesomeness.
And Wolford traffic, Cessna 52 Mike Echo is left base 24, full stop Wolford.
Wolford, we will go.
Wolford traffic, helicopter taking off midfield 24.
Helicopter midfield. Like we get to go around.
Wolford traffic, Cessna 52 Mike Echo is turning final, runway 24 will be full stop.
Like a Stearman right in your face.
Nice.
There's the copter right in our face.
Yeah.
This is some good footage here now. Oh, your flaps?
I do.
You want? Okay. I'll take the flaps off.
All right.
Oops, another perfect Mark Earl. Had a little launching ramp there. Did you notice that?
Yeah. I always notice when I land twice.
That's good though. Yeah, this is awesome. We got some good footage here. The battery's just about dead, but not quite. Camera's still rolling. Wonder if they're gonna park us. We're getting out of the way of the Stearman, ain't we?
People are leaving.
Look, somebody's up on top of that silo. Where do they put non-bi-wing planes? Oh, here he comes. He's gonna park us somewhere. Where are you putting us?
I don't know.
Yes, he is parking us. Okay, he's gonna put us there. You kind sir.
Mike, I'm right above you.
He's parking you. People are scurrying.
I'll just wait till you come on in, Dave.
I'm past you on your right now. I was just flying above you with the video.
Okay, I got you now.
Looked like we had room. Perfect, he says. He gives you the thumbs up.
Red Stearman, departing runway 24 grass at